I'm seriously excited about this. Tag team.
Tag team. All right, tag team. You gotta say tag team.
You don't get customer service from your keyboard.
All right, here we are at Nancy's Treasures. This is Rachel. I'm Tobin. We're from Virtual Storefronts, and this is Tag Team.
Tag team.
Now we're going to tag Nancy's.
Alrighty.
Let's tag. Let's start tagging.
Nancy's Treasures.
In Andrews, North Carolina.
We have furniture.
Okay, so we need to show the furniture, and so we have lamps. Hashtag lamp. Keyword lamps. Tables.
Some vintage.
Vintage is a keyword for sure.
Some home decor.
Home decor. This is wall art, and there's plenty of wall art here. Let's see. Over here we have what I would call folk art, like wall hangings and handcrafted. Here's some jewelry, vintage jewelry.
Got some dinner.
This is more folk art and handcrafted arts and crafts. Dinnerware, I would call that. If I was one keyword, would be dinnerware. We have an entire set of fiesta ware down here. This is some pretty elaborate old school furniture. Maybe we already have vintage and we have furniture, so those are included. And then I would call these collectibles, these old jugs. Pottery might be a keyword here. And well, there's an entire set of ball jars. This is vintage kitchenware. We have kitchenware and we have vintage as keywords, so those two work together. This is an entire huge collection of ball jars. Let's see. This is vintage appliances. That might be a specialty. We're not going to do appliances because people don't come here to shop for their new appliances, but they're vintage appliances. More vintage kitchenware. What else are you seeing, Rachel?
A lot of cool stuff. Christmas decorations.
This is, Christmas ornaments. So Christmas would be a keyword here. A lot of these are ornaments. This is all Christmas decor, perhaps Christmas decor. I think Christmas as a keyword would be fine. There's a lot of furniture here. Kind of hardwood furniture. Here's a chair. There's several different kinds of chairs. This is an old school rocker. It's a very nice chair. All these bureaus and dressers we'll just put underneath furniture. What else do we have here? I would call these are all collectibles and tchotchkes here.
Yeah, some knickknacks.
Knickknacks. Well, yeah, I'd just say collectibles probably. Put it all under the collectibles. I don't know how many searches we have for knickknacks. And then this is a kind of a vintage, old school, is almost period pieces, these dressers. This is right out of Bay Ridge, New York, 1975.
These are vintage ornaments.
Let's see. We got, here we got vintage ornaments. So again, Christmas is definitely a keyword. Possibly Christmas decor as another keyword. These are kind of table runners, I guess. So those would go under linens, I think. Table runners, people would probably just look for linens. Here's more vintage Christmas. Home decor, home furnishing might be. Vintage furniture. Vintage is already a keyword. Here we have more collectibles. There's almost a stuffed animal, but I don't think stuffed animals, there's not enough stuffed animals here for keyword.
Some quilts.
There's more home decor. Quilts, yeah. Now this is a good example where they have enough quilts to definitely merit a keyword. So if I'm a shopper and I'm looking for a quilt, I would definitely want to have Nancy's as a, oh my god, it's a quilt and a stuffed animal. Keyword hell. How do we do this?
It's like a throw pillow, but it's quilted and it looks like a dog.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we don't have a keyword for that, but the quilt shoppers will find it. So when people are searching for quilts, they definitely want to know about Nancy's because this is a quilting.
So throw pillow in terms of home decor.
Pillows. Yep, let's just say pillows. And let's.
Library card holder.
Yeah, library card holder would be a little too specific.
A lot of repurposed uses for that.
Let's. That's probably, and then back over to the table runners, which are under linens. This is almost retro, vintage collectibles. I remember
Skillets.
this thermos. Ooh,
And
skillet.
specifically cast iron.
Oh.
People love to
Cast iron.
season
This
and
is
make new again and make non-stick. Like
okay. So cast iron would definitely be a keyword, and there's more cast iron. Wow, there's a lot of cast iron here.
yeah.
So this is definitely something that it's a specialty here at Nancy's. She's got tons of cast iron. Oh, and there's that shoe sizing thing that I remember from Epstein's clothing store in Brewer, Maine. Okay, and wow, there's a lot of cast iron. What else? What else do we have in here? We have that's a flag.
Glass bottles.
These almost look like work tools or field tools. Farm tools, perhaps. Farmhouse is an aesthetic we use for this. So these are farm tools, though. Almost antique tools. I say antique tools. And then we have some ducks. More vintage collectibles here. I thought there was military stuff in here. Do you see military stuff anywhere?
Good.
This is wood carving here. We'll probably use wood carving as a keyword.
Yeah, like
Oh, those old school irons. Those they just heat the iron by the fire. They got lots of tools. Antique tools, I think, is go for that. Another antique iron. Lots of doilies. I think that there's
cloth napkins, so linens.
yeah,
Under linens.
tons of cloth napkins here. All
nice.
kind of fancy old school
I should get some of those.
I know. When I was here before, there was ones. Whoa, there was some with owls on them. They got sold, I guess.
Oh, yeah, it was probably sold.
And all right,
This one's nice with just a little flower, very simple
that's
cloth napkin.
very classy. Yeah,
Yeah.
coming from.
Dinner napkin.
This is collectible glass over here. All these glass things have names. Fenton
Cocktail section.
Fenton pink slag glass basket.
Anyone
Let's
want
get
to go
these in.
zero waste?
That's a throw, so knitted throw. I'm going to put that under linens. Quilts. I think that blankets is probably overkill. More pillows here. More knit doilies here.
Tablecloth.
Tablecloths. I think tablecloths are useful enough that, wow, that's pretty cool. It's pink flamingo tablecloth.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's
You don't
pretty
see that.
cool.
That is, you will not find that new anywhere.
Come get it before I do.
Okay, we'll do tablecloths as a keyword. What's this? What's this? Oh, we're filming.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah, I got my volunteer. Is that Nancy?
No, it's Floyd.
Oh, hey, Floyd.
Hey, Floyd.
You can be on camera if you want. Otherwise, stay clear.
I'm clear.
Oh, here's those,
It's a doily.
doily, yeah.
Doily is a little too specific.
Yeah.
But they have a lot of that. What are,
name.
is this all tablecloths up here? Up here. Then what's all these?
Some purses, not very many. What is that?
I think that, yeah, there's not enough purses really to have purses our keyword.
Quite a material, though.
It's almost like a sequin.
Feeling and I'm wondering what that's made of.
There's a few books here, but not really enough books to categorize this as a bookstore. And then another thing is they have these DVDs, but it's just a pretty simple DVD collection here. More quilts, though, so quilts is definitely in.
And in terms of home decor, you can find a few artificial flower arrangements.
Flower arrangements.
Silk flowers.
Okay. I don't know if these are for sale or probably are. Artificial flowers would be a keyword then, I guess. All right.
Alright.
We're pretty good to done, huh? If you need a miniature dog. A dog bed. More flower arrangements. Yeah, that's a good observation. And then more folk art here. Seasonal. Seasonal might be a good keyword as well.
Yeah, seasonal. Seasonal stuff.
We got some silverware.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, our nice
There.
silk plant.
Silk plants.
Looks
Nice.
nice greenery.
All right. This looks like a fur, but I don't know. Maybe it's real, maybe it's not real.
Actually, I'm not sure
That's
if that
in-
is silk. It feels like real dirt in there.
That might be a real plant.
This is a real plant.
Real plant. Real plants happen.
But
So,
it is
but-
for sale,
so-
so a couple.
Right, so
Real
but we're not going to put live plants as part of their
Yeah.
inventory because there's one live plant here. Not a keyword. So if I'm searching for live plants, I will not end up at Nancy's if you're searching on virtual storefronts. Okay, well, I think that we're pretty done.
Birdhouses.
Yeah, birdhouses. We put this in a gift, collectible, folk art.
Yeah.
And there's some coats and whatever. All right, hooray, tag team. Thanks for stopping in at Nancy's.
Treasures.
Andrew.